You know what you came here for. Sit back and tune in for EISHATAYLORE. Yeah, yeah.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm EISHATAYLORE. So today's video is going to be all about the Modelones gel polish. Thank you, Modelones, for gifting me these. Always super excited getting things from you guys. If you haven't seen my other video where I featured Sunlight Thermal Poly Gel, then check that out. I'll leave it in the eye above and also in the description bar. But these are going to be gel polishes that are temperature changing. We have 8 different polishes. I already swatched them for you guys, but let me just show you the bottles quickly. We have 7 mil actually. Usually like 5 mil. So we get a little bit more polish. And if you can see through it, you can kind of see the color. Ignore my nails, guys. I literally just prepped them. But can y'all see the color through it? Love it. Okay, so starting off with 0654. So this is what it will look like when it's warm. I have hot water in here. So we're going to dip this color in here. And this one turns to a pinkish white. But you still see the glitter in here. So this one's super cute. Next is 0658. Where it looks like cold, which I'm gonna have to come back around and do this in the winter time. And then y'all, do y'all see what this changed to? It changes to like a purple. Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how. Got this sweet talk, I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. They change back pretty quickly. Let me know what your favorite is. Honestly, my favorites are this one, and this one. And the ones that turn to pink too. Yeah, I like this one. So today, we're honestly going to be using this one, not only because it's a fall color, but I never do brown orange colors, so it's going to be something new for me, and I really love the way it looks, so why not? Okay, another thing that's super new for your girl is using short nail tips. I haven't had short nails in, I don't even know. Per usual, I'm using my Kiara Sky Jelly Tip nails. These are in the square short. So one thing I must say about the square ones is that they do run a little bit small. So if you have bigger nails, there's no 00 in this kit, just so you know. And I had to go a size up from what I normally do. So just keep that in mind if you do decide to get the square short. Okay, so just like any other Kiara Sky Jelly X video with my prep, I always etch the inside of the nail. So I'm going to go ahead and pick my bit. I use this bit right here to etch the inside of the nails. Sweet talk. Along with etching the inside of the nail, also removing the number at the top. It's very annoying to me. It catches on to things, so. And when etching the inside of the nail, make sure you're only etching where your real nail will meet the fake nail. So I stopped right about there. It's usually about half most of the time. Alright, so I ended up switching my drill bit to a medium grit sanding band. This is completely optional. I mentioned this in a couple of videos. So I do an extra step with making sure that the cuticle area is flush. The thing about jelly tip nails is that it's very bulky near the tips, right? As you can see. So what I like to do is kind of debulk just a little bit around this area. You could also use a hand file. Although it'll take a little bit longer, you could still just go around the edges and go like this to kind of flatten out the edges, or you can go ahead and use a drill. are familiar with how I apply my Kiara Sky tips, then you can, of course, fast forward to the actual design. But again, if you're new here and haven't seen how I prep and prime my nails and apply the Kiara Sky tips, then just keep on watching. Good thing about the Kiara Sky kit is that it comes with all the things that you need, which is these 3 essential items along with the nails. So I'm gonna go ahead and prep my nails using the step 1, which is essentially a dehydrator. So if you do decide just to buy Kiara Sky nail tips, you can without the kit. Just make sure that you buy a dehydrator. You could get one from Amazon or the beauty supply store. So next I'm gonna be using the primer, which is step 2. And this is essentially what it is. It's a primer. Gives your nails a barrier for the next, a barrier and preparation for the builder gel. So I also scrub this into my nails as well. The last step in preparation is the builder gel, and it's step 3. This is a very important step. This is a barrier between your nails and the jelly tips. It also, in my opinion, helps grow your nails. Whenever I remove my nails, my actual real nails is never damaged. And I think it's completely because of this builder gel. All right, on to the application of the nails. You see this nail lamp in almost every video. I really love this nail lamp for applying the jelly tips. And so you're gonna also need your builder gel to apply inside the tips and apply the nails that way. This is essentially how you glue your nail tips onto your nails. You just apply the builder gel where you etch the nail. Don't go any higher than that. I know this nail is super small, so you can't really see what I'm doing. And then you put a little bit extra, especially for your thumb, a little bit extra from your brush on the very end. You see the little pool right there? That's gonna help the builder gel flow throughout the nail. I like to put my finger on top of the nail lamp just to have some sturdiness. And then I apply the nail tip from the edge down. And I usually keep my finger on it for like 10 seconds, and then you can remove your finger just to allow it to get throughout the nail. Now, after I apply all of the nails, I always cure in my big lamp for 60 seconds. Okay, so now that I have all of the nails on, you might have some spillage. So I have spillage only because I'm so used to a longer nail. And so I put too much builder gel, but it's super easy to come off. And I'll show you how to do that. Okay, so the 2 bits that I highly, highly, highly recommend you get if you're into jelly tip nails or even acrylic too, are these 2 bits. I will leave them down below where I got them. She's off of Instagram. But these, I think they're called like smoothing cuticle bits or something like that. But they are going to be awesome in blending in the jelly tip nails, so it doesn't look like a press-on look, you know what I mean? They both do the same thing, but obviously they're 2 different finishes.
Show me something, give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how.
Okay, now that I have buffed and shaped and fixed up the cuticle area, I'm gonna be using the 1181 color, the brown to orange color. I ended up doing 3 coats of this color, and it definitely looks different on me than I thought. I thought it was gonna be darker. When you see it in the tube, it looks more of a chocolate brown color, but then on me, it's more of a orangey brown, which is still really cute. But as you can see, it's very gel-like. It can be a very simple look, which is not like me at all. But I found these stickers. I think I got them from Shein. Like I said, this is the simplest look you're ever gonna get from me. I think it's really cute, very fall-like. The color is giving. Again, this is the color that you're gonna get when it's normal cool, I guess. And let me just pop it in the lamp real quick so you can see how bright orange it gets. In person, my lights is making it give off something that it's not. Can you see the orange in the lamp? That's the color that it would be. So, if you like very gel-like see-through thinner polishes, then you will definitely like these color changing polishes. Oh, see, as you can see, it's getting darker right at the tip here. So if you like things like that, you will definitely enjoy this kit. Again, it comes in 8. I'll leave all the links and everything down in the description bar. I really enjoyed it. I'm definitely going to be revisiting a couple of these colors. So this one is coming in the winter, so stay tuned for that. I'm definitely going to do like some icicle frozen type vibe. So yeah, so if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't done so already. Check out Model Ones. Everything again will be in the description bar. So check that out, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Bye, guys.